Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Edi Sagar. I am your physics teacher. I welcome to all my students at UpSex online support program. This is my lecture for class 9th, unit number 6, work and energy. Week number is 4 and lecture number is also 4. The contents of my topic are the energy and the kinetic energy and the potential energy. These are form of energy. First of all, I start from the energy. What is energy? When we say that a body has energy, then we can say that it has ability to do work. In physics, energy is very important. It is a fundamental concept of science. It links mostly natural phenomena of the nature. It is of different forms, for example, light energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, sound energy, etc. So we define energy, the ability of the body to do work is called energy. There are two types of energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. First of all, kinetic energy is the ability of body to do work. The energy possessed by the body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. I again repeat the definition of the kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body or the energy of the body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. This kinetic energy is equal to work done by the body. That's why kinetic energy is written by K dot E and work done is W. Kinetic energy is equal to, as we know that formula of work is equal to Fs, so W is equal to Fs. So kinetic energy is equal to Fs. Now suppose a body of mass m is moving with initial velocity Vi, then after some time t, body stopped and its velocity become 0. That is its final velocity Vf, that is equal to 0, and its initial velocity is Vi. We can say that Vi is equal to V. Initial velocity is equal to V, and as body finally stopped, that's why final velocity is equal to 0. As by Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, or A is equal to F by m. Negative sign that indicate that opposing force is acting upon a body. That's why its final velocity become 0. Next, so by third equation of motion, 2as is equal to Vf ka square minus Vi square. Putting value of A, as the value of A, acceleration A is equal to minus F by m. It is put in third equation. At the place of A, we put A is equal to minus F by m. S is written as it, and final velocity becomes 0. That is why 0 ka whole square minus, as initial velocity is equal to V square. Now it will become minus 2Fs over m is equal to minus V square. On both sides minus sign will be cancelled to each other, and it will become Fs is equal to half mv ka square. As Fs is equal to kinetic energy from equation 1, that's why Fs is replaced by the kinetic energy. So equation of the kinetic energy become kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Next topic, type of the kinetic energy is the potential energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. Let a body of mass m is at the height h from the surface of the earth or from the ground level. Then a work done on the body to lift from the ground to a height will be appear in the form of a potential energy. As work is equal to Fs, work is converted into potential energy at the highest point, and as F is equal to W and S is equal to H, that here distance is equal to height. So S is equal to H, and F is the force that will be converted into weight. Now as weight, W is equal to mg and H is written as it. So final equation of the potential energy is mg H. Homework is example 6.3, 6.4 and numerical problem 6.2 and 6.3. Okay, Allah Hafiz.